For most men, hair growth tips that work are a rare discovery because most of what you read online has either been ineffective or you haven't been able to shell out for a transplant. But these 10 tips we have for men to naturally regrow their hair is the most effective you can find on the internet. Is it possible for men to regrow their hair? What are the natural remedies you can rely on? Find out more in this video as we have 10 tips for men to regrow their hair naturally. Stay tuned and keep on watching. Number 1. Apply onion juice or potato juice on scalp. One of the oldest and most important hair growth tips includes an onion, or a potato if you want. Applying onion or potato juice to your scalp is known to stimulate hair growth. Onion juice contains sulfur that boosts the production of collagen in the tissues, which help in the regrowth of hair. The strong stench of the juice disappears in a single rinse, so don't shy away from using the solution before trying it out. To prepare the juice, you need to cut a few slices of onions or potatoes and squeeze out the juice from it either by mashing or grating the vegetable. Apply the juice on your scalp for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with a mild shampoo. Number 2. Oil and massage your scalp regularly. Oiling your scalp with almond, coconut, or neem oil is a good remedy to reduce hair fall and boost hair growth. We recommend using a mixture of all three on your hair and scalp as part of your regular grooming routine. For more effective results, we recommend massaging your scalp appropriately using various pressure points to facilitate hair growth. Massages can prevent hair loss a great deal, and massaging the scalp stimulates hair follicles. Data from a study reveals that 4 minutes of scalp massage each day can give you thicker hair growth. We recommend using essential oils like peppermint and rosemary, which can help with hair growth, as they have traditionally been used on the scalp. He explains that other oils like coconut, castor, and olive oil are also widely recommended for promoting hair growth. Number 3. Eat a healthy diet. Among other things, proper intake of vitamins is also necessary for hair growth. We recommend vitamins like biotin, which helps prevent hair loss. This natural vitamin is found in foods like nuts, sweet potatoes, eggs, and oats. Taking biotin supplements physically is also recommended by doctors. As per experts, you can include calculated amounts of protein, vitamins A, B, C, and D, biotin, and some minerals like zinc and magnesium in your daily diet to curb hair fall. Drinking an adequate amount of water is also necessary for effective hair growth. Before we continue, a like would be great. Number 4. Avoid stress. Stress is also one of the main reasons for hindering hair growth. There are several ways of controlling stress: exercising regularly, listening to music, performing yoga, meditating, and getting enough sleep, which is all extremely essential contributing factors to hair health. According to experts, stress and anxiety can physically weaken the body, including your hair cells. Telogen effluvium is a medical condition related to hair that is countered by most people when burdened by stress. Number 5. Apply apple cider vinegar on your scalp. Apple cider vinegar can be used to gently cleanse the scalp and maintain the pH balance of the hair, thereby accelerating hair growth. We suggest making a diluted solution of ACV by mixing 75 milliliters of it in 1 liter of water for a larger batch, or 15 milliliters of it in a cup of warm filtered water for a smaller batch. Apply this solution to your scalp and use it as a final rinse after washing your hair. This will also give your hair an added shine and boost hair growth. Number 6. Apply egg mask. Egg mask is also used as a remedy all over the world for quick and natural hair growth. Eggs contain high levels of proteins which help in the formation of new hair. It is also rich in sulfur, zinc, iron, selenium, phosphorus, and iodine. Separate 1 egg white in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to it. You can also use grapeseed oil or lavender oil and honey. Make a paste of it and apply it all over your hair and scalp. Keep it for about 20 minutes. Rinse it off with cool water and some shampoo. Number 7. Get rid of dandruff. Dandruff and an itchy scalp are one of the main factors that promote hair loss. If one has dandruff, an itchy scalp, or maybe even other skin infection on the scalp, it's better to address it at the right time or you may end up suffering from excessive hair fall and baldness. With some skin diseases like eczema, seborrhea, and psoriasis, you can suffer from hair fall and hair loss both. They further add that it is better to consult a respective doctor and get treated immediately. Number 8. Don't overstyle. It is always recommended to use minimal styling products on your hair like wax, color, and gels to force your hair to behave at your commands. Constantly twisting, twirling, or pulling your hair tight can lead to hair loss. If you're worried about hair loss and regrowth of hair, then you should not tie them tight, such as in pigtails, cornrows, braids, and buns. Chemical treatments like perms and hair straightening treatments, hot curling iron or straightening irons, and bleaching your hair must be done only under the guidance of a trained professional. Number 9. Apply coconut milk. Massaging coconut milk on your scalp is one of the most effective and natural remedies for hair growth. Coconut milk is rich in iron, potassium, as well as essential fats. Extract fresh coconut milk and add half a squeeze of lemon and 4 drops of essential lavender oil to the coconut mix. CoachR suggests that after mixing it well, apply the same on your scalp and leave it on for about 4 to 5 hours before rinsing it off. Number 10. Apply green tea on your scalp. If you drink green tea on a regular basis for weight loss, you can now finally utilize the tea bags that you throw away. Green tea, which is rich in antioxidants, also helps in boosting hair growth apart from weight loss. If you want to prevent hair loss and accelerate hair growth, you could apply warm green tea from the tea bags that you've used over your scalp and leave it on for about an hour before rinsing with cold water. What causes hair loss? Hair loss can have multiple causes. In some cases, there is a genetic component. Other times it results from autoimmune disease, high stress levels, recent surgery or illness, hair damage from bleach or dyes, scalp conditions, or vitamin deficiencies. Hair loss can also develop in response to hormonal imbalances or thyroid conditions. Pulling on your hair and wearing tight hairstyles can also contribute to hair loss over time. Is it really possible to regrow hair? Due to constant exposure to environmental factors, unhealthy hair care habits, stress, illness, scalp infections, and hectic lifestyles, men and women are losing hair faster than they are growing it. However, dermatologists believe it is possible to combat the adverse effects of these factors by using the right treatments and inculcating healthy hair habits. If you are experiencing sudden hair loss or hair thinning, these tips can help. If you have noticed abrupt or dramatic changes in your hair length or thickness, the first step to speed up the growth of hair is to seek the advice of a qualified dermatologist. He or she will be able to help you identify and address the underlying causes of your hair loss. A proper diagnosis will go a long way in reducing unwanted hair loss and the time spent on maintenance efforts. Only then will the following hair regrowth remedies have a chance to work. Naturally regrowing your hair often requires a multi-directional approach, which means you have to combine different approaches for the best results. If you're currently under a physician's care for hair loss and you want to combine natural methods with your medical treatment, talk with your doctor to make sure there are no concerns or possible contraindications. If you want to improve your hair, come up with a plan and stay consistent. Remember that the treatments may take a few months to yield noticeable results. Be creative with the remedies and mix them up as much as you like. It's important that you take time each day to focus on nourishing your hair. Taking this step and practicing self-care is beneficial if your hair loss is related to any emotional or stress-related issues. Are you ready to achieve your hair goals? Share your thoughts with us by leaving a comment below.